Hi wonderfully amazing beauties. Today in this video I'll be showing you how I installed my HerGivenHair, and I do want to say thank you to HerGivenHair for sending me this hair to try. And if you are a new beauty, please subscribe. It would mean so much to me. So the hair arrived in this gorgeous black packaging, and you just slide the box on open. And it has a timeline of HerGivenHair. On the back of the box, it does have the website as well as their customer service and all of their social media accounts. Included in this package, you will find a HerGivenHair texture sample instruction book, and inside this book you will find information on why HerGivenHair is here, as well as a measuring tape and information on the different natural hair types, as well as products that they do recommend for their hair. And on the back of this sample booklet, you will find information on helping you find your perfect match, as well as how to blend and what you can do with these texture samples. The 4 different textures of hair that HerGivenHair do offer. They do offer kinky, coily, curly, and a kinky blowout. And they send you these test samples so you can be able to see how soft the hair textures are, and you can see which one blends well with your natural hair, as well as styling it and color testing and heat testing. And also the test samples, coily, curly, and kinky, are all in 14-inch, and the kinky blowout is only an 8-inch. And HerGivenHair hair extensions are made with 100% human hair, and HerGivenHair motto is be you, be yourself, be given. You will also receive a HerGivenHair pamphlet that shows you how to initially prep your hair, also your daily care, how to reduce shedding, and about coloring. And it also has a list of products that they do recommend. And each bundle of hair did come with replacement clip-ins. And I did receive the Kinky texture clip-ins in 14-inch and 16-inch. And this is how the hair will come packaged. And here's how the hair will look once you take it out of the plastic bag. It is very brittle and hard. And once you wet it, it does become super soft. I'm going to get this hair soaking wet, and then I'm going to apply a co-washer, and I'm going to let that co-washer sit on this hair for about 3 minutes, no less than 3 minutes. And I'm going to use a gentle cleanser When you apply the gentle cleanser, it is recommended that you finger massage the gentle cleanser in the hair in a downward motion. Then you'll rinse it out and repeat if you need to. Now I'm applying a gentle conditioner, and I'm going to detangle the hair, and I'm going to let this conditioner sit on the hair for about 5 minutes, no less than 3 minutes. Then I'm going to rinse it out, and I'm going to let it air dry overnight. I'm starting off with this 16-inch bundle in the back, and I'm using the weft that has the 5 clip-ins. And each bundle of hair, you will get 1 weft with 5 clips, 2 wefts with 4 clips, and 3 wefts with 3 clips. That's 6 pieces all together, and they do recommend 2 bundles for a full head. Lengths longer than 18-inch may require 3 depending on the desired fullness. In the front, I'll be using the 14-inch bundle, and I'll be starting off with the welt that has the 5 clip-ins in it. And right here, I'm just lightly misting the hair with a mixture of leave-in conditioner and water. Here is the finished look. I love this hair. It's super soft. It blends well with my hair. The only thing is my hair is a little dark, so I am going to have to dye the bundles. And please subscribe if you haven't already. And always remember, you are wonderful, you are amazing, and you are beautiful. Until next time, peace, love, and unity.